We did, however, realize that we needed to actually get Zimbabweans to understand that this war has got children who actually gave up childhood to liberate the country. And I want to use an example here. Chiwenga. And parents Shiri, don't laugh. And parents Shiri. When they were now kidnapped, we don't use the word kidnapped. When SB was kidnapped, we don't use that. We say when they were frog marched to the war from high school. Avakatorwa ku Mount St. Mary's. USB akatorwa uko kumanama. We cried in Australia. Kutina, why are they taking children? But ZIPA had now been formed, and they were now wanting to get away from ZAPU and ZANU, and they wanted new children that would understand that Zimbabwe was one. Now, these children never had mother love. They didn't have the home cooking. That's who I now met in the camps. When I first met Charles Ndlovu, kuthiwa Webster Shamudi muthi Webster, and he was using Ndlovu, I thought, my babo, umzukulu wami. I said to Chitepo, why are we having these young kids in the camps? He said, excuse me? What young kids? Because the political was not allowed to go to the camps. And when Ndangana took me to the camps, because the students in Australia had raised money at Chitepo's request to buy a camp, 3,000 hectares in Lusaka, I was taken there to actually see what was there with Ndangana, Chigowe, and those were my uncles.